Okay guys, we have a few things that we need to talk about. So let's do it. So, baru-baru ni Sephora ada diorang punya private sale. So I pick up like few stuff because it is the month of August and it is my birthday too. So I want to splurge for me, you know. So the very first thing that I got is this one. This is very cute. This is the beauty blender Bestie's bronze set. Disebabkan I dah selalu sangat guna my Brina Beauty Blending Pearl, I macam dah lupa how good it is to use like the OG beauty blender. So I got this one. It is very cute. The colour dia macam tan macam tu, and you will get 4 things, which is the actual beauty blender, and then the solid cleanser of this one is actually the, what's this scrub mat, so you boleh scrub bila you cuci, and then this cover over here yang boleh bawa untuk travel. Actually kan, this cover is quite cool. I ingatkan dia macam just a leather punya cover tau. I'm gonna show you guys. This is how it looks like. Lepas tu dekat belakang dia tu ada ventilation, and this is how it looks inside. Okay, this is the actual sponge. No, this is the OG beauty blender in the tan colour. And then you get the mat. This is so cute. So, and then you boleh keringkan juga dekat you punya sink, sebab dia boleh, like dia ada kaki kat bawah ni kan untuk you letak. And the solid cleanser, this is very good untuk bersihkan you punya brushes or you punya sponge. And I really like this packaging sebab, see, clean me and then wet me. So that means kalau you nak simpan ataupun you nak bersihkan you punya beauty blender, you boleh letak dekat which side that you prefer, which is very nice. And then you also boleh cabut tau dalam ni macam tu. It's cool. I love this because I'm a Black member, so I dapat 20% off. Kalau you spend over 900 something, dia akan jadi 25% off. So I don't think I want to spend like 900 for just makeup stuff. And then we bukanlah Sephora haul kalau tak ada a little bit of drama. So I really want this one by Tarte kan. But masa sampai, if you follow me on my IG, you will know, masa sampai the packaging looks so wet. Bukan damp, wet. So I cuba buka the kotak kan. I want to see which one, like berapa banyak yang tumpah, because it's very wet. And then bila I buka je ni, shoo, the product inside dripping macam, I tak tahu nak cakap apa, lencun. And ini sekarang tinggal separuh je. Anyway, we sorted it out. They already refunded me. I also dah order a new one. So yeah, so this is the second one that I got. Tarte Shape Tape Stay Spray. Yeah, Shape Tape Stay Spray. I tak tahu lah, I've been really into setting spray right now. Tapi Urban Decay dah tak available kat Malaysia, so I want to find like alternative, and then I found this one by Tarte. Yeah, review so far semua cakap it is as good as the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. I also dah try the other day one time, and it feels so fresh tau. Lepas tu dia ada bau macam cucumber, macam bau skincare. I like it. And yeah, this is the second one that I got. Next, I got another product from Tarte. This is the famous Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Plum, and mine is in the shade White Peach. I macam random je tau I beli ni, because entahlah. Oh, cantiknya packaging dia macam ni. It looks so pretty. I'm afraid this is too light for me. Yeah, this is the White Peach. Tapi macam cantik je, dia macam peachy nude colour kan. So how to use it, you just click dekat bawah ni, dekat ni, just click it like that. And let's swatch it. I'm gonna swatch it and see. Ooh, that is so peach. Cantik, cantik. Dia tak ada bau. Bau dia biasa je. But yeah, it is so nice to have this one. I really like the packaging. It's so cute. Next is concealer. Oh, banyaknya from Tarte. I baru perasan. So this one is also from Tarte. So this is the new Tarte Shape Tape, but this one is the radiant one. I dah try the OG one. I dah try the ultra creamy one, and I really interested to try this one. And this is my shade. I think like medium sand. And I dah try the other day, and it looks so pretty, korang. It is so nice. So I need something like a little bit with the peachy side, and this one looks perfect to me. So this is what I got. Dia lebih kurang sama je dengan the OG Shape Tape, cuma dia radiant. Dia macam ada glow tau. So, and then you blend kan. I like this one because dia ada macam peachy undertone. Oh, nampak tak dia ada gradient macam tu, setting finish macam tu. It is still full coverage, and I really like this one. I think I like this one better than the ultra creamy one. The ultra creamy line dia macam tak berapa opaque. Ya, dia macam tak berapa full coverage like this one. Ooh, nampak tak cantik gila. It's radiant. So yeah, dia a little bit gelap because my eye bag is quite dark. So that's why I get in the shade 27S. Perfect shade for my under eye. And next I have an Hourglass, another concealer. I've been into a concealer hunting bab dekat drugstore. The shades are limited, and also I cannot choose the like undertone. So I pick up this one by Hourglass. This is the small size one. This is the shade. It's called Fawn 4.5. So I macam biasa for my under eye, I akan cari yang dia macam peachy undertone. Tengok tu dia punya one dia so nice and kurus. I tengok dekat TikTok ramai cakap this is a very wow, that is a bad place to swatch. High coverage concealer. So yes, that is so high coverage. So dekat sini I tak sure you guys nampak beza tak dengan the Tarte one, and then this is the Hourglass one. That is so full coverage. Oh my gosh. And 4.5 is a little bit darker than my face, but I don't care because it is for my under eye. Macam I cakap under eye, I memang suka colour yang a little bit gelap than my actual skin colour to cover my eye bag. Tak complete lah I punya Sephora haul without any rare beauty products. I bought the Soft Pinch lip oil. I dah ada dua, and one in the shade Honesty and the other one is in Serenity, and this is in the shade Wonder. I really love this lip oil because it is so hydrating and it has some tinted juga. And yang ini I think colour dia macam mauve punya shade. It smells so minty. Tak sabar nak pakai. Cantik. Yes, it is like a pinky mauve colour. I suka campak dekat I punya handbag. So bila I tukar handbags kan, I lupa I letak kat mana. So I pick up another one for my other handbag. I think that's all. The rest are my beauty reward. I redeem dekat I punya reward punya section sebab I don't know, Sephora dia dah renew dia punya reward policy. So all the rewards are expired by December. So I nak redeem I punya point. So the first one is a face cleanser by this brand. I don't even want to try to pronounce it because I don't know how to pronounce it. I ada dia punya body moisturizer and it is really good. So I pick up this one. And next is a super good every single face SPF. I think this is my third one. I pernah redeem juga before this, and I suka sebab I boleh campak dalam I punya bag solat ke ataupun for travelling, and it is small enough. Yeah, this is the next one yang I redeem. And then last but not least, this is yang paling mahal, which is 250 points, which is equal to RM250. This is the Huda Beauty Silk Balm. Ini 250 poin je. And this is in the shade Blush. Ya, dia macam, I think dia lebih kurang macam Rare Beauty punya lip oil tadi. Dia macam plumping lip balm. So I assume it's like that. Let's open it together sebab I pun tak tahu macam mana. Yeah, I think it's sama macam Rare Beauty. Yang kat sini dia macam like lip balm. Dia lip balm tapi liquid. That is so sticky. Yes, dia lip balm in the like this tube form. Yeah, I think that's all. That's my quick private sale haul from Sephora. I hope you guys like it. Did you buy anything from the Sephora private sale? If you have any, let me know. My battery is dying. Okay, I will talk to you guys on my next one. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Thank you for watching. Bye.